equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx screwdriver. You'll also need a clean cloth and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Start by unplugging your Dyson DC29 from the power source. Safety first. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and lifting it off. This will give you better access to the motor area. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the top cover of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws to take out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the top cover off. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be careful not to damage any clips. With the cover off, you'll see the motor assembly. Next, disconnect the motor from the wiring harness. Take note of how the wires are connected, as you'll need to replicate this when installing the new motor. If you're unsure, take a photo for reference. Now, remove the screws securing the motor in place. These are usually Torx screws, so grab your Torx screwdriver. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the motor out of its housing. Before installing the new motor, take a moment to clean the inside of the vacuum. Use the cloth and isopropyl alcohol to wipe down any dust or debris. This will help your vacuum run more efficiently. Now, it's time to install the new motor. Place it into the housing and secure it with the Torx screws you removed earlier. Make sure it's snug but don't over-tighten. Reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring that each wire is connected to the correct terminal. If you took a photo earlier, now is the time to refer to it. Once everything is connected, replace the top cover of the vacuum. Align it properly and press down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the Phillips screws to secure the cover. Finally, reattach the dust canister. Plug your Dyson DC29 back in and give it a test run. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation and pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, and you'll receive a quote before repair. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson DC29. Regular maintenance will keep your vacuum running smoothly for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.